Hello, my name is Valeria Frunze, and I'm running an estate agency specialized in property investment, property development, and portfolio management. I am in Athens at the moment, running some projects in South Athens, as I call it, Athens Riviera. So at the moment, I'm in Voula. Voula, it's a region in south part of Athens, and it's considered to be a luxury region, and there are reasons why, and this is what I want to explain in my podcast today. So Voula, Glyfada, Vouliagmeni, Varkiza, and so on are regions that are considered Athens Riviera, and they are located on the coast south side, south and east side of Athens. They are prime location for property investments, and at the moment the prices are going skyrocket on real estate because of several activities that are happening in these particular regions. So Voula and Glyfada was always considered very good regions, expensive regions, with amazing apartments and houses and villas and manicure streets and some sort of a snob areas with people that are a little bit categorized in the upper middle class, let's say. So these particular regions have a prime real estate. They are much more expensive than central Athens, and of course they have also different type of services and different type of lifestyle as well. So these particular areas went up in price in the last 3 years, and it's still going up in price. It will not stop for the next couple of years due to the fact that we have several projects, several big developments that are happening in the region and around the region. So first I will talk about Elliniko project, which is a giant project. It's a little bit of a piece of Dubai that will be located in the old airport territories. So Elliniko is a region with an airport which is not functional anymore for many years, I think after the Olympic Games. And this particular plot is being purchased by a Greek person, and it will be developed into villas and residential villas and some sort of blocks with high sky towers and facilities for shopping centers and casinos and things like that. So that particular project, it's something new for Greece, and it's something that Greek market didn't have to offer so far. So this particular region, it will be regenerated, and thanks to that regeneration, all the areas around Elliniko went up in price due to the fact that the project had value. So let's say 5 years ago, an apartment in Glyfada or Voula, you will find it for 2,000 per square meter. Now you will struggle to find anything for 5,000, and most of the apartments and most of the villas, they will go for 7 to 10,000 per square meter, which it's considered an okay price for this region. So for you to understand that central Athens, you're still finding 1,500 per square meter at the moment in 2023. Voula and Glyfada, they went up in price from 5,000 and above. And even 5,000, you will have to, find it off market, or it has to be a very big opportunity, or it has to be in a very bad condition for you to add a little bit more money in order to renovate it. Yes. So that's the phenomenon number one, Elliniko project. And then in the last couple of years, we've seen new developments, new luxury clubhouses popping out around Glyfada Square and Voula. This is a fund financed by Middle Eastern investors, and they are popping out clubhouses and luxury apartments in this particular region, which is adding value to the area, and it's attracting more luxury investments in Greece than other areas. So this particular region starts to grow up in price because it attracts more foreign investments, but not investments that are for to sell and buy and flip and so on, but investments for families that can afford apartments for 10,000 per square meter. And of course, when there are rich around, then everyone is willing to pay such an amount, because you will see celebrities and singers and businessmen and things like that that live in the region, so the value adds up to the price. Now, there are several other projects around Alimos and around the seaside. All the cost is being redeveloped, and there are lots of investments, and in lots of funds are injected money in residential real estate around the coast. And so there is another project that is developing villas between Alimos and Glyfada on the seaside. That will be a villa residency as well, and several other hotels which are upgraded, and they are due to become 5-star, and offering selective and luxury service to the locals. So these particular regions, they are going very fast up in price, and they will still go up in price because of the projects that are already agreed in the region, and the projects that are already financed and so on. So if you like to invest in luxury properties in Athens, these particular regions are the right regions to invest right now, because in a couple of years they could bring you revenue, and of course you can flip them for maybe 30% more than the price that you purchased it right now. So good luck in investment hunting, and thank you for watching my videos.